Hey Side Spirit! In this video, you will learn how to sign out a library book from the Sides Library. The Sides staff is excited to try this new way of getting books into your hands. First, there are some things to know. We are currently only signing books out to full-time, local Sides students. That is because you will have to come to Sides to pick the book up. For students unable to pick up, please contact Mrs. Columbia and she can connect you with your local public library. Remember, you also have access to our Digital Learning Commons research sites. We have another video that you can watch to learn how to access those resources. For orders, students can request up to 6 books at a time. For health and safety reasons, requested books will be available for pickup on Fridays only. This will ensure that our staff has time to make the books clean and ready for your home. Now let's start. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you will need to enter the Digital Learning Commons. To do that, go to your course and scroll down until you see the library card. Click on the library card and that will take you to the Sides Library. Once you get there, you want to make sure you're on the library desk. This is the area that you will need to be on to sign out a book. Scroll down and you will see that there's a search engine that will allow you to search for books that we currently have in the Sides Library. If we click on the link to the catalog, you will see that you can search for books by word, title, or author. I'm going to search under word. I want to find a book in the Bone series, so I'm going to type in the word bone and hit search. This will bring up what we actually have in our collection. There we go. So you can see we have a few different bone books in our library. The one I'm looking for is called Bone Old Man's Cave. So I'm going to click on more info now that I've found it, just to make sure that we have it in the library. Now I can see the description of the book, and I can see that under status it is available. So now I can request this book. What I'm going to do is cut and paste the title of the book, because I'm going to have to put this into an email, and this will make sure that I don't make any mistakes. Next, I'm going to open my email service, and I'm going to create a new message, and I'm going to send that message to sides_library@saanich-schools.ca. In my subject line, I'm going to put book request. And in the body of my email, the first most important thing I should put is my name. And I'm putting my first name and last name so that the library staff knows who to sign these books out to and who will be coming to pick them up. Then I'm going to paste in my book request. And there you have it. All I have to do now is click send, and that will go off as my book request. When your order is ready, an email will be sent to you to let you know that you can come pick it up at the Sides Beaver Lake School on West Saanich Road. Your book will be in the lobby in a bag with your name on it. All you're going to have to do is grab that and go. Our books can be signed up for 2 weeks. So don't forget to bring your returns back with you when you come to get your new books. Return your old books to the Doghouse book bin. It will be in the front entranceway too. That's it. It's a simple way to ensure you have access to all of our wonderful books. Keep on reading, Side Spirit.